Welcome back to the channel, guys. Right now I'm gonna show you something different. Right, I bought a 2004 Tundra a couple months back. I didn't show it on my channel, so right now here's your first look at it. Well, I have a lot of plans for this truck. Needs a little fixing up, but that's nothing. Need fresh paint job. As you can see, looking on it from the front, the clear coat is burned off just right here, but otherwise everything is in good condition. So I definitely want to give it a fresh paint job. I want you to drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know if what you think I should do. Leave the color as it is, just give it a fresh paint job, or I should change the color just like the RX-8, orange and black. Tell me what you think in the comments below. For the wheel, these are the stock wheels. They are pretty messed up right now. I think I need to change them, put on some nice wider wheels, right? And right now, the space we have right here, it's 5" on the front, in between, and on the back, it's 6". So what I want to do is lift the truck up more. So that's where this box comes in. Right now I'm going to show you what's in the box. So this is a 3" lift kit that I bought on eBay. I'll put the link below for this kit. So this is the block. It goes under the back to lift it up, and then this is a spacer to go on the shocks. So let's see how this works out. All the hardware. Well, let's get started. So right now I'm gonna lift the truck up. Right now I'm gonna start from the back. I'm gonna pull all 4s of these for it to drop down. Right now it's supported by the jack. So if I put the jack down, after I pull those, everything will go down and just slide the block in. on this back side, I finished bolt up all of this already. The only thing I have left to bolt up is just the shocks, but I'm waiting until I complete that side first, and then I just bolt up the shocks and put on back the wheels, and the back wheel, the back end will be completed. So on this side, so guys, it is a lot easier to unbolt the shocks, remember that. So right now I'm just putting the top hat back on, sliding down that. Then I have to try to catch everything from underneath. Time to see how the back looks after I let down the jack. That looks good. Now it's time to get started on the front. Right now I'm gonna unbolt the sway bar link, unbolt the shocks, and unbolt right here, drop it down, and then see if it fits. this is the shocks out. And this is the spacer. Goes on just like that. So here is it all bolted on. I'm gonna try to fit it without releasing certain things yet. If it doesn't work out, everything is installed. I found out the easiest way to do it is remove the sway bar link, unbolt the shocks, right? Shocks will drop out, and then you move the upper ball joint and just pull it back and try to fit the shocks in. Now we install everything on the front, so I'm gonna put down the front now to see how it looks. So guys, this is how everything looking right now. I just give the truck a wash. Looking real good. So guys, let me know the color to put the truck in. I can do it orange and black like the RX-8, or just paint the truck over back in its original color. So just let me know, drop a comment. All right, until next time. Yeah.